Small businesses lose thousands every year because of simple IT mistakes. Here are the most common ones and how to avoid them. No backups means one crash, one mistake, or one attack can wipe out critical data, and recovery can be costly or impossible. Outdated systems create security gaps. Without updates, your business is exposed to cyber threats and downtime. Weak or reused passwords make it easy for attackers to access your systems. One stolen login can shut down operations. Without monitoring, problems go unnoticed until systems fail, causing lost time, money, and productivity. Managing IT alone often leads to expensive mistakes. Prevention is always cheaper than fixing problems later. Proactive IT management keeps your business secure, reliable, and running smoothly. It's time to rethink IT and protect your business before small issues become expensive problems.
Subscribe for more practical IT tips and find out how we help businesses stay secure, productive, and protected every day.